car park.
Into the car park.
See, they're doing the old road thing like St. Louis does. This is Old Collinsville. Yeah. Somehow they feel like they've redone the pavement, but she's got some very pretty little
Okay, about half a mile. Four tenths. Three tenths. You're gonna bear left.
Go past the street, then turn left into the car park.
Okay, past the street.
Yeah, I see.
Why did you?
Turn left into the car park.
And then back there.
You've entered the car park for your destination.
Okay, I'm gonna end that route and see where the first stop is because I don't know how we do this. Oh, we're heading right to a trailhead that'll be on our left.
Not that trailhead.
No, I don't think so. It looks like it's up here somewhere. I would park anywhere. Yeah, you're facing